How to restore Apple Music library after subscription ends. So I'm going to show you a few things which you can try. First, open up your phone settings, then scroll all the way down until you see apps. Now right here, we're going to click on apps and search apps. We're just going to search for music. Click on the option that pops up right here and uncheck show Apple Music for about 10 seconds. Then you want to wait, and after 10 seconds pass, you will click on show Apple Music again to enable it. Now see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't, then the next step which I suggest taking is going to be signing out of your account and then signing back in. So click on your account, then you will go and scroll all the way down until you see the sign out option. Sign out of your account, like I said, make sure you know your credentials and then sign back in. If it doesn't work either, the last thing which I suggest is going to be opening up our browser, and then you want to search for contact Apple Music Support. Click on Music Support here, then you want to go and scroll down until you see the option for still need help. You will click on get started. Here you want to select playing and saving songs, and you just want to click on continue, and you will get to the option where you can contact support and you will explain your issue, and hopefully they have a backup of your music library somewhere stored somewhere, and then they will be able to give it to you. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.